Hello guys. So last time aku ada buat video tentang this ultra luxury bungalow in Shah Alam. Okay, masa tu masih lagi under construction. Sekarang dia dah siap. Semua dah siap. Schedule to hand over end of December. So kita ada 16 unit je. Ultra luxury bungalow from 6,900 square feet to 7,000 square feet. Okay, land size pun berbeza-beza daripada 7,000 square feet up to 12,000 square feet. So it's only 2 row, this side and this side. Okay, belakang is hutan simpan hutan simpan. Belakang sana pun hutan simpan Cerakah. Saya zoom belakang nanti kita view. Hutan simpan Cerakah. So bawah sana is the old phase 1. Semua dah fully occupied. Sekarang ni adalah phase 2A. So the design is more modern. You can see you have double ceiling height, living room. Master bedroom is over here with balcony, dan special dia ada rotating blinds, and dia punya posh area sangat luas. Jom kita explore. Okay, posh area saja boleh fit 6-7 cars. Depan you ada extra land, okay, and then extra path juga kat sini. You nak buat picnic area, okay, kat sini you nak buat pool, landscape, no problem. Okay, kalau you perasan kita adalah gateless neighborhood sebab the whole compound is gated and guarded. So terpulanglah dekat korang nak tambah gate ataupun nak biar macam ni pun tak apa. So for privacy, I would suggest korang buat landscape, bushes kat sini. Okay, so tak adalah nampak dalam rumah. Tapi don't worry sebab kita dah memang ada tinted. So tak adalah nampak kat dalam rumah. So ni dia punya porch area. Okay, 4, 5, 6 cars, no problem. Entrance foyer, and then you ada kat sini utility room. Nak buat shoe rack boleh, utility area pun boleh. So main door is a very too wide pintu. So entrance dia sangat besar, sangat luas. So over here you can do a statement. Okay, for entrance foyer. Okay, ni area yang best. Double ceiling height, double volume living room with this kind of glass. So this is to give you maximum natural sunlight. So rumah ni tak akan rasa gelap dan juga dia tak panas sebab matahari, okay, that side is north. So matahari is that side and that side. So you don't have to worry matahari directly masuk dalam rumah you. Okay, this is a dining area. Kenapa sini dining area? Let's say you guys buat sini living, right? All the gas kat sini, depan boleh buka picnic area. Meja makan buat sini sebab kita ada sliding door, dia can access keluar terus. Okay, over here you boleh buat you punya dry kitchen, you buat island jadi cantik. Okay, you boleh buat piping pun boleh sebab kita dah sediakan space. Dan infra, kalau let's say you nak buat island kan, so you mesti ada sink kat sini. So kita dah sediakan. Belakang is the wet kitchen. Okay, wet kitchen ni sangat besar. Okay, facing the hutan simpan. This is literally hutan simpan bukan hutan ataupun tanah yang belum develop. Hutan simpan Cerakah. So yard area dekat sini, you guys ada maid's room, maid's punya toilet. Okay. Dalam maid's room ada lagi utility. So this is the yard. You nak buat heavy cooking over here also can. You tutup lah. No problem sebab you still ada land kat belakang nak buat sidai ke apa whatever, right? Okay, banyak lagi tanah, and then kita ada rain water harvesting. So tapi kegunaan dia untuk luar saja, untuk kolam ke, untuk siram-siram pokok. Okay, you hear the sound? Sebab memang korang dekat hutan. Okay, for those yang memang prefer like ultra luxury punya design dekat location yang quiet and also serene. Serene bermakna dia adalah tenang, kehijauan, nature sound. Dia tak nak hustle bustle because most of the buyer over here definitely business owner ataupun the professional workers, right? Dia tak work 9 to 5, so dia okay dekat this area to travel. Okay, first room dekat bawah. This is what we call entertainment room. Dia ada sliding door, you boleh buka access luar. Shared bathroom is over here. So basically it's for this room and also the guest lah to use this toilet. One guest room dekat bawah. Okay, dia punya attached toilet. So the space is really big, sampaikan kita kena letak plug dekat tengah ni. Okay, so from this wall to this wall is sangat panjang. Okay, kadang korang nak letak TV, cabinet, whatever, right? Belakang still boleh bergerak lah. Ni to access kat belakang. So imagine some live with their parents, right? You guys boleh buatkan ni bilik parents sebab dia orang tak perlu naik tangga. And then dia orang boleh access terus kat luar. Kau buat landscape apa semua kan. Anak-anak main kat sini. Dia senang nak pergi dapur. Okay, jom kita tengok level atas. Ni tangga dia. So kita ada glass full height atas bawah. Right. Ni living area dia. Sangat luas. Okay, you boleh buat another family area over here. And then kalau you perasan, we have flat slab ni. You nak buat balcony pun boleh. You nak renovate sebab kita individual title. Although gated, guarded dengan facilities, this is individual title. So it's up to you kalau you nak tukar lah kat situ. Okay, third room. Ada their own attached bath. Fourth room, attached bath, walk-in wardrobe. Okay, bed area. Ni memang syok lah. Siapa duduk area sini facing belakang, you punya udara you memang the best. Okay, bilik keempat. Yang kita tengok bilik kelima. Attached bath. Nampak big windows facing the hutan. Kita dekat level atas tau, nampak? So satu level dengan canopy kat atas ni. So udara dekat level atas ni dia lebih fresh. And dia jauh sikit daripada level bawah ground level kan. Okay, master bedroom. Walk-in wardrobe yang sangat besar. Ini ruang katil semua. Jom kita tengok dia punya toilet dulu. Okay, toilet pun big with bathtub. Okay, this you punya walk-in wardrobe lah. Master. Okay, master area. And balcony. Okay, this is where you ada you punya rotating blind. Okay, sometimes you just nak chill kan, tapi tak nak lah nampak dalam. So buka lah blind ni, turn out sengit sikit ke, buka habis ke. Then you keluar, you boleh enjoy this view. Okay guys, this is it. Bukit Bayu Bungalow Estate. Kenapa dia panggil estate? Semuanya bungalow sini Nampak dekat bawah sana pun yang lama-lama punya pun semua bungalow. And it is individual title, means korang boleh buat kau nak tukar colour ke, tambah solar, nak buat landscaping, nak buat swimming pool, no problem. Nampak unit ni sangat luas So if you guys want to view this unit, okay, kita ada few units left. You still got developer punya package, can contact me now. Thank you guys.